Coronavirus Research Database is hosted by ProQuest, a collection of journal articles, preprints, conference proceedings, dissertations, etc. related to COVID-19, including current research. There are many topics related to coronavirus that can be researched in this database, whether it's related to vaccines, mitigation measures, or therapy, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we will look up according to the effect coronavirus has had on mental health using Boolean operators. The AND operator, for instance, narrows the search because it has to include both terms together. If we use coronavirus, for example, and mental health, we will get over 19,000 results. But if we want to expand our search, we include the OR operator because it only in order to pull up a record, you only need to have one of the terms, not both. So as you can see, it expanded our search a little bit here. Now, if we want to eliminate what we think is not going to be relevant, we employ the not operator. And so that narrowed back down again. Now over here on the left side, we got limiters to help us narrow our search even further, such as peer review, which is just to journals that or works that were reviewed by experts in the field. Scholarly journals, obviously. Okay, publication date, we probably want to narrow that more by moving it up so we can have records that were published more recently. Let's see, document type, articles. And then we'll do one more. Let's do language. Now, as you can see from where we started, we've narrowed down, but if we decide to choose, let's say, an article we think is relevant, we can take a look at it here. But if we go down even further, over here on the right side towards the bottom, we can narrow even further within the results by clicking on these indexing terms. We'll do this. And then as you can see, we have over 300 results, so much more narrow than from where we first started. Now if you go up here and you need help, you can find plenty of information here, such as like field codes, for instance, and mesh codes. Since this is a COVID-19 database and it's more related to health, you can find qualifiers related to drugs and diseases here. Now if you need more help, you can go here and scroll down and click on chat with us. And then during normal business hours, as you can see listed here on availability, what you'll do is you'll, for instance, click on here and then you'll fill out a form, and then after you fill out the form, you can start chatting with somebody.